Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro SS automatic on the channel. The car's been sitting for a while, so I'm not going to shut her off, but let's go take a look outside this beast. Look at this beast. I remember riding in one of these when I was a kid. I was a passenger, of course. It was also a blue SS as well. Same body style. I was impressed by the power of that car back in the day. It's like, wow, this is a fast car. It sounds so good too. Now this one is a pretty low mileage unit. It says it only has 45,000. So it is a pretty low mileage car. Now the trunk is actually not bad. It's very deep and wide, but it is kind of shallow, so don't expect to be fitting in very tall items. Now let's go look at the best part. So what's hiding under the hood? A good old V8. Figure out how to open it. There we go. I think there we go. Chevrolet V8. We got a hydraulic hood holder. Look at this intake. Oh, this is beautiful. This is magnificent. Ta-da. Hard touch materials. These are soft. But seriously, who even cares? You don't get this car for luxury, you get it for the sound and the feel. Now hopping into this cabin, I will say, if you're claustrophobic, this may not be the right car for you because it is pretty tight. And I'm 6'2", and you know, I can still fit in comfortably, although it does feel like a tighter car. Let's listen to this sound. Ooh, phenomenal. Got a black headliner, very small shades, mirror with OnStar. There we go. Now let's get the seat belt. Definitely requires a little bit of flexibility. All right, let's get going. Now in this winter time, it's always sketch driving these vehicles with rear-wheel drive because you just never know when there's going to be a wet patch and you'll spin out. So we're gonna take it very carefully. But the very first impressions, I love the sound. Sounds like a monster. Jeez. Visibility is good for a sports car, and you really get that sports car vibe in here, like that muscle, retro, loud, tight. It's a vibe. Plastic is very generic, something you would find in a Cobalt of this era, so don't, like I said, don't expect any luxuries. Oh my god, that felt so good. Just that kick in the back and the sound. Woof, love it. For some reason, I don't know, it feels even more raw than the newer generation. Oh, this sound is so good. I'm not going to be talking much in this drive. I just really want to enjoy the car, and I want you to all enjoy it. Just listen to that V8 rumble. There's really not much to talk about. It's fast, it's tight, it's sporty, it's fun. On, if you're passing, you're gonna have to pass. Just move over. See, this is what we have to deal with every day in the DMV. This is the nonsense. One can pass, the other one is purposely slowing down traffic. That's okay. That's all right. folks, this summarizes today's test drive. I hope you all really enjoyed it and had some fun here with me. Gotta say, this is an absolute blast, and surprisingly it's not any slower than the new Camaros, than like the 2020s or the 2021s with the 10-speed. This still does the same 0 to 60 that we were able to achieve on the street in pretty much the latest version SS 10-speed. And this is not the most ideal result. I'm sure I could have shaved off another 1 or 2 tenths, maybe even 3 tenths, if I had better grip and I could just punch it right off harder. But given the trap speed, the times, you can just see how well this engine performs. And despite the 6-speed transmission, it does not lose any power. Like, it does not lose any acceleration. And I personally think this generation is more raw and more connected compared to the new one. And it's just very simple, easy, and it's a joy to drive. So I definitely recommend this car for anybody shopping on a budget for a sporty car. Definitely get the SS with the automatic. I'll just go with the auto. No point in getting the stick shift if you do a lot of city driving as well. This is absolutely perfect. Great gearbox, doesn't really need to think, does everything well. So great vehicle, and actually rides pretty comfortable too. I personally like this more than even the older Corvettes. I actually like this car more. That is just my opinion, but I personally had more fun with it. But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and till next time.